blessings. Welcome to V-La-Nessa's world. It's your girl. Lifestyle flaws about her day. She's sweet as pearls. It's your girl. Inspire you in every way. Welcome to V-La-Nessa's.
Good morning. It is Saturday and it's a new vlog. Welcome to the vlog, VPs. Yeah, welcome to the vlog. I just released last week's vlog and it is going okay. I kind of did something. I'm trying to test it out, but I guess by the end of today I will know if it actually worked. I actually follow some YouTubers saying that I should do this and I should do that, but let's see. Okay, anyway, if you're wondering what's these, go and check the 24-hour vlog. You'll get all the explanation, and these are the reason why I don't want tattoo. Like, what is this? What's this? This one don't come out so bad, but boy, it not grow upon me. I don't like it. Anyway, welcome to the vlog. I am V-La-Nessa, one of your favorite YouTuber, because I share all that is real. Yeah, I do realistic vlogs about my life and everything, and I'm on the H2b program presently vlogging about that. But let me tell you, anything that I go through, anything, whether it be H2b, marriage or whatever, yeah, it's my life. It's a lifestyle vlog. So welcome to the channel if you're new, but if you're old, welcome back. Welcome back. You know what to do. You know what to do. Like up the video and share it with your friends and family. Yeah, and if you're new, subscribe. Subscribe. Stick around because, yeah, where would you go? Where else would you go? Sands? Puerto Rico? Bali? Yeah, I know you would want to go there too, but yeah, I'm on that journey too. I'm gonna go. Yeah, so stick around just in case I go before you and you can come with me. Yeah, you get what I'm saying? Yeah, stick around. Hey, I pay madness going over here. So if you're not ready for the madness, still subscribe because you might get accustomed to the madness. You get what I'm saying? All right. Yeah, so I'm not gonna do a lot of talking in this vlog because the last vlog, no sir. Me know me could have chat, but me never know sir, so me could have chat. I had to edit out 1 hour worth of talking. 1 hour. When I put all the clips together, it was like 4 hours. And how much you gonna get? About 1.5 hours. Not so much, but I think that much. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not gonna do a lot of talking. I have work later on. I haven't been to work since Tuesday because I was called off at work Wednesday and I had a day off Thursday and yesterday. So today is Saturday and I'm going to work in the evening. So it seems like I had a whole weekend off. And this morning I feel like I didn't want to get up. I literally got up like 11 o'clock. Yeah. Like just a while ago, yeah, I got up, spread the bed, washed my face, because I said, you know what, I'm not coming to you like this. And I comb my hair because I need to tie it down for later on. Yeah. Look at me who seminar don't ever talk. But I feel like you need the explanation. You need the explanation, don't? Yeah, we need the explanation. So the barrel is packed. I have a separate video for that. I probably do a 24-hour vlog with that one because I think it's like 24 hours it took me because I went to the store and everything. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe I just put it on. And I was thinking that I should put it on Nessa, but I don't want it to be like in a vlog form. So what I may do with the whole heap of talking and so forth, I want to put it on here and then put the information, like in-depth information on the other page. I don't know when you're gonna get that, so don't hold me to it. Yeah. My next work period coming is better than this week because This week I practically worked Monday, Tuesday, and then probably Saturday, Sunday, 4 days, and they're all evening shift. So so no money to make. All I made this week was like $200 and something. That can't work. So I hope next week is better. Next week is Thanksgiving. This is what I was saying in the last vlog, that I really need to have a calendar, because now I'm going to tell you after Thanksgiving, next Saturday, when Thanksgiving is Thursday. And I could have tell you in the previous vlog, say, hey, when Thanksgiving come, happy Thanksgiving. But I'll probably just do a post. But happy belated Thanksgiving. I was planning to do like a little Christmas thing, because most of the people is going to leave. But I'm not sure. Like, they probably talked me into it. I have mutton, and they can go buy chicken. They can buy ham for who want ham. Turkey, I'll cook. I don't mind cooking. I have sorrel, and we can probably get gungo from online and just do a big thing. Yeah, a Friendsgiving. Yeah. So I'm not going to do a lot of talking, as I said before. Welcome to the vlog, and I'll catch you when something pop up, okay? Guys, I'm going to prank my girlfriends that I got a tattoo. So I'm just gonna call the group. All of them may not answer because some of them probably at work, but whoever answers is going to get pranked. So I'm gonna go to screen record. My tablet is on 15%. Alright, I'm gonna go. Should I want audio? No, because you guys gonna hear the audio. So no audio to start the recording. And I go to WhatsApp. Oh shoots, I can't do it on here. I would have to do it on the phone because I don't have that group on this number. Why? Let's choose violence today. Let's see how they react. I'm not going to say anything. I'm just going to let them look and let them say, wait, something changed. Right? Call them because it's been a while anyway. We're going to talk, and whatever you guys don't need to hear, you're not going to hear it. So let's prank the besties. So there is 5 of them, 6 of us in the group. So I'm going to video call right now. Who answer? Oh, it's in screen recorder. That's all. Who got to the screen recorder? Nobody not answer. If one thing Shaneke got answer. Shaneke, don't let me down. Shaneke. Cheyenne. Who else? We know enough. I say if one thing Shaneke must answer. Cheyenne there at work. Would you like me tattoo? Would you like me tattoo?
Go for answer.
A real thing.
Oh, okay, like, what are you thinking? You want some paper sticker tattoo?
What is that? We have two tattoos. The one that's square. We got them.
You
don't like my tattoo? You don't like my tattoo?
Now what thing for doing on Saturday?
We're not bite.
No, I want to for doing on the work for go.
We're not bite.
Huh?
Look, see there. No, come on.
So you're in office or home?
Watch out, she ignore me. She there in office.
Oh, in office.
Them no bite. No. But think say they not go bite. What is the not bite? Bye.
Friends are bad now by that egg that other things something. And I don't put on good.
And then guess how long it gonna last? 10 days.
Get up, not a window.
At Walmart, we go see that. We say, when we try it, we see how that look for my skin.
Walmart?
Me, I would never put on tattoo. This one look good.
Which is again?
This one is not bad, but then when I go sleep without that, this sweater look.
Oh, you're right. Yeah, if you're going to time tattoo, you have to get something minimalistic.
When I get a tattoo,
I'm not going to put on. Your first tattoo will be a very big
one, exactly. I just got off the phone with my friends, and we were on the phone for about 2 hours, if not more. But I just come to say that I don't know if you can see the small bumps. I think you can. Yeah. I don't know what happened, but I feel like I'm having some allergic reaction towards something. I was thinking it was the shrimp thing, but I think it would have been all over my skin. So I'm thinking maybe it's the thing that I'm using on my face, or it could be that the dye on my hair. I don't think it's the dye on my hair because my scalp would have itched me too, right? If you look, you see? I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's the serum that I'm using on my face is finished and probably stale or something like that. So I'm gonna probably dash her that. And it could be the witch hazel, I don't know. But it's just some small bumps on my face. Anyway, I have like 2 hours until work. Less than 2 hours. I have like 1.5 hours until work. So I'm just gonna shower and then relax. I combed my hair this morning and I just tie it down because I don't want the humidity from the shower puff up my hair. So I'm just gonna shower and relax until that time. Till about 4 o'clock I put on my clothes because I really need just 15 minutes to walk. So yeah. I couldn't wait. I couldn't wait to reach home so that I can eat the rest of the seafood melt. Like my mind was on it all day. Like I forgot make one next one, and this time I think I'm gonna use either chicken or if I do the fish one, I'm gonna make it more garlicky and more meat. Yeah, but me have to run come home, come eat some of the crab melt. Even though I don't know if I eat, I give me this reaction on my face because it could be that too much cheese. I don't know, but me have to. If you're punk can eat some cause no man, baby with a mark. Baby with a mark. Work wasn't so bad, it was busy. I'm glad me actually got today because I haven't made any money all week. I only made like $20 and that cannot do it. Normally would have like $1,000. I got to 2,000. This cannot work. Can't work. I hope that next week's, being that is Thanksgiving, is better. Right now, I'm gonna go on my YouTube and reply to some comments. I'm gonna watch a movie, maybe a Christmas movie or something like that. I just feel like to look how me not to remember myself. It took up a straw. And could you remind me? Jesus, now it's gonna be more hard. I feel. I cannot stay so. And could you remind me if it took up a straw? You could have pinched me and tell myself to take up a straw so I can blow the balloon for the celebration thing. And right now the balloon that we blow, remember the balloon? Let me show you. No, sir. Let me show you the balloon that I blow. When I struggle for blow, look at. This is it. Anyway, I just feel to check in with you. I am going to eat my crab melt. Guys, if you don't try it, I don't know if you try it, honestly. Vanessa, I don't she named Natasha. I don't remember her last name. I think she named Natasha. Something. She loves seafood, and honestly, if you try this, man, you need to try it out. Anyway, make a watch a movie. Talk to you tomorrow. Guys, I'm here editing my 24-hour vlog. I actually did most of it. I'm just doing the fine tuning. Today is my niece's birthday party. So I have two nieces in England. They're both in England. And one birthday was last week and then the next one is Tuesday coming. So I brought them two phones. It's a kid phone, but it seems like a regular phone because you can take pictures, you can take videos, you can play game and all those stuff. But the only thing I cannot do is make calls or download apps and those stuff. Like it's pre-loaded with stuff on it. I was on the phone for about 2 hours with them in the whole party festivity and everything. But I got disconnected, I guess, because my battery died because I was charging my phone while I was on the call. So that's what I'm doing today. I have work at 4. I am planning now that maybe I should rent a car. I think I should rent a car because I'm so tired of borrowing the car. I cannot go too far, and if I do go far, I'm worried that they're gonna say don't take back the car because you're going too far, or that I have to rush come back home, and I don't want that to happen. So I think that I want to rent a car. It is not expensive for like maybe 4 days would be like $100 and something, and at least I have the car. I can go wherever, I can come in whatever time, because I really want to go to the mall because I need to get some stuff, and I only can get it at the mall because I need to get some more candles. I don't want to get it online, even though I can, but I don't want to. I need to get a Pandora thing. I don't want to get it online because the last time, if you watch the vlog before, the last time I couldn't find the Pandora package. Even though Pandora gave me back my money, but it was so inconvenient because I had this chain here. I had to buy it on Amazon and put on the pendant on it. And then I want the cleaning set still, and I need a charm. So yeah, I want to go to the mall. So I'm planning to rent a car. What do you think? Yeah. So I'm gonna finish editing. I have not ate anything for morning, so I may just drink a Ensure and probably eat some rice and chicken that we cooked the other day. But I have work later on, so I think I may just get some. I don't know. Maybe I should just go and buy Subway or something because I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm really hungry. Anyway, I just want to update you. Today is what today is. Today is Sunday. Happy Sunday. I hope you're having a blessed Sunday. Remember to put God first in everything that you do. And I need to take my own advice. Yeah, we need to put God first in everything that we do, because God is gracious, God is merciful, and even though we're not seeing Him working, He's working behind the scene. And yeah, we should just have faith in Him and be hopeful that things will work out in the way that He wants it to work out, not the way that we want it to work out. Because we may want, say for instance, we want a car. The car that we want is not what God wants for us. God wants something bigger and better. Probably wanted to get a plane. You understand? A private jet, not a car. So just have faith in God and know that He will come through in the right time. Okay? Alright, so I'm going back to editing because I promise that I'm not doing a lot of talking in this video, even though you guys like it. Yeah. Anyway, peace and love and cookery. I'm hungry and I'm lazy and I feel for something fast. So I'm just gonna go to Bryson and get something to eat. I just put on this sweater and I put on this tights because this is my go-to tights. Like whenever I'm going like on the road up there, so, and I just want to put on something quick, I put on this tights because I don't want to put on the shorts. Because the last time I went to Bryson, they were like, "Oh, you're not cold, you're not cold." I wasn't cold. Me have fat legs. I would have fat around the bones. You understand? Yeah. Don't know if that makes sense. But when I reach back home, I just take off like this. You get me? And then I can't ever take off my do-rag. So right now, I'm going to Bryson looking like a gangster. So let's get something to eat. I'm not bringing any purse or anything. I have my card and my phone. I'm going to do contactless. So this is what I love about over here sometimes. I know they have it in Jamaica. I should think so. But yeah, let's go to Bryson. Get something fast.
It's been so long I didn't see you on mine. You change a lot, you look a different guy. I can't stop thinking about you since last night. Do you feel the same, feel the same, feel the same, feel the same? Imagine if we did.
So I bought Subway instead because if I had went into Bryson, I would have bought burger and fries. And as much as I love fries, I'll try to keep that belly down. So I'm being a little bit responsible, trying to be a responsible adult because yeah, we're gonna keep that figure. And I'm trying to get accustomed to eating healthy because I'll be starting gym soon and I'm gonna have a trainer. So I am gonna train myself to eat before they start training me to eat. So I'm just gonna walk home and then finish edit, get ready about 3:30, then walk out. So outside is not as cold as the last few days, thank God. I bought the Subway and I bought a cookie and it's an oatmeal cookie. It's one of my favorite cookie, oatmeal cookie. In this Subway, this is what I normally get. I always get this. I didn't put any tomato in there because the tomato never looked good, and I didn't put any cucumber in there because that never looked good neither. So I normally put tomato and cucumbers, but I also put lettuce, red onion, bell peppers, black olives, and mayo, and the sauce teriyaki chicken American cheese, and that is what I like. And this is how it looks. Let's do a taste test. Tastes the same as always, I bet. That's how I like it. So the previous person that used to be here, that's my roommate, boyfriend, we used to get just plain chicken and lettuce and tomato and mayo. But one day after work, well, lunchtime, I didn't go to Subway, and he ordered his and I ordered mine, but it was in the same bag and it mixed up. So he got mine and he liked mine. The only thing he never really wanted is the black olive, but he liked mine and he eat it, and since then he's been having what I had. Yeah. I have a little bit of rice and chicken. I'm gonna leave that till later. But I'm gonna eat this now and drink some ensure, finish editing, and then I'll pick up back with you when I'm going to work. So I'm ready for work. I'm not gonna bring you guys because it's just the basic. I literally finished my 24-hour vlog. I'm going to release it tomorrow, but tonight I just need to do the fine tuning. Like, yeah, that's the fine tunings. But I'm gonna go to work now because it's like almost 4:15, and 4:15 is when I actually leave out. I was playing my video and I cannot pleased with it, but I'm gonna do finishing touches tonight, and then tomorrow I have the same hours, which is 4:30. I kind of like this 4:30 thing, even though I'm not making the money. But I kind of like it because I have more time to myself and I get to sleep in. But I'm gonna go to work and pick up with you when I reach back home. I just got back from work, and guess what? I took up the straw, I take up the straw, I literally make an iced coffee, and I say, alright, this is what I'm going to bring home. The iced coffee finished, and I went around there, throw away the iced coffee, take up the straw, and still left the straw at work. Anyway, remember that package that we got a few vlogs ago? I think it's like 3 vlogs ago. I bought something from Savage, and I had to return it. Well, they finally send the returns, or the exchange. Yeah, I returned some and I exchanged some. So it's just 2 stuff, and I sized down, I think, for this. Size down for this. Why it looks so big? This is size small, but I think I did buy a medium. Size down for this, and I have the top already for this. I'm gonna try it on before you, and then put on the sweater with it. The sweater did fit perfect. That's the only thing that fit perfect, other than the bra and the onesie. Now this I bought in medium, and then I think I took an extra small because them fit big. So this is an extra small, and if it feels so comfortable. Like, it's big and it's supposed to be like a little lounge kind of thing, and even though looking at it, it still look big. But I'm not gonna send it back because this is like the smallest size. I think I think they have extras. I think it's good. So I'm gonna try it on and then let you see how it look, and then you rate it. Okay? So I love the details on it. Let me show you. Like, Rihanna, go on with that thing itself. Like, look at this. Like, if you look, it have Savage on it. There, I don't know if you can see it. It has Savage on this. It have the little bar code on here, says Savage. Like, the details are detailing. So I'm gonna put it on, and if it fit good, this is what I'm gonna be sleeping in, because it kind of get cold, and then sometimes I don't want the sheet. So yeah, I'm gonna try it on and let you see. Okay, it fit better. Look, and it still have room in it. if you're a size small, go down 2 size. If you're medium, go down 2 size. This is extra small, and I am a medium. Here, so it stretches still, but you can tell that the stitching good, and it feels so soft, so soft. Like the material inside is like this. It's super soft. Love that. This is what I'm gonna shower and put on. This is going to be my next airport fit. It's so soft, it's so warm, and yeah, you have the X details right here, the X right here, and I love it. And I wore this one already, so yeah, feels so good. I love it. The bottom is not as snug as I want it to be, but it's good. It's good. Can't always have tight stuff, right? So it's so comfortable. My next airport fit. Let me just get up, by the way, and it's like 2:12. I went to my bed like 4 o'clock. I couldn't sleep last night. I don't know why, but I couldn't sleep. I tried and I couldn't sleep. Anyhow, last week vlog, I think I was complaining. I was like, every minute me inside of the house, that's all I don't see me inside of the house. And yeah, so somebody commented underneath the video and said, well, you can always go out and sit down on the balcony. And it just already started. You know what day today is? The vlog release Saturday. Today I'm Monday. It just already started. Don't worry. You know what I don't like about this onesie? When you want people to take out the whole thing. I am watching my vlog that I just did, my 24-hour vlog. I'm just watching it to see if it's okay and I can release it. There's some stuff that I wanted to change, but not good at that. I'm gonna cook curry goat, so I'm just gonna season that up right now. I'm not sure if I'm gonna cook it here. I cook it in the kitchen, but I think this is 2 pounds of curry goat that I'm going to cook. So I'm just gonna season that up. We don't need to see that. I'm gonna wash it, clean it up, then season it up. I don't even know if I have curry, but what is that? Anyway, just want to tell you good morning. It is Monday. I have work later, and then I'm off tomorrow and Wednesday. Seems like my day off came so quick. I don't want to go in the kitchen because I have no only for curry goat and a white rice. I plan to cook with it. Only somebody would that give her one person. I think I'm gonna take my little time and cook it down here, so pretty. Anyway, I'm gonna start this out, and then I did post some like ask me anything on Instagram, and some people been messaging me, so I need to reply to them, but I don't want to reply until I'm ready to record because I want to answer the questions on here just in case everybody else want to know too. And I hope it's not personal, because if it's personal, me just go overlook that. So let me just season up the meat and start cooking that. And then I'll come back when I want to answer the question. By the way, they're gonna cut light from 11 o'clock tonight to tomorrow 5 o'clock. So I need to charge up my stuff. And the good thing is that even though I don't have nothing to do, I can edit on my tablets. I'm gonna charge those up. So tonight, when I have nothing to do, I can edit. So later, reach back in and the goat season. So I'm just gonna blend up some other season, like the scallion and the thyme and the onion, pepper. Gonna blend up those stuff, cut up the carrot and the tomato for whenever I need it, because I'm on a crunch time. I woke up late, and guys, I changed off my clothes because I need to be free. I want to be free, and I felt like I was being restricted. And not only that, I don't want it to be messed up by any courier or anything. If you remember this shirt, if you're OG and you remember this shirt, comment and see if you're not OG. I don't understand that OG now, but more often if you're not really an OG. You remember this shirt? You remember it? Alright, tell me the story behind this shirt. I'm gonna fry egg, look after breakfast. I'm gonna make tea. Alright. I'm gonna make tea, look after breakfast, and cook the mutton. Take my little time. We probably not go finish before work, but at least it start cook. So when we reach from work into tomorrow, I can finish it. You see the struggles that me if I go through, because I write rice, me I come and buy one corn, because I like rice, white rice and corn sometimes. So that and the mutton. That's all. Now I don't be cooking, saving the coins, right? So all who do want food, probably me give somebody food to just one person. That's all. But yeah, that's it. If you guys can remember the last time I had breakfast, that's the last time I had breakfast. So just made an egg sandwich, and it's 2 eggs and a cheese and butter. And of my egg medium cook. Running. And then I have some tea right here. It is soursop leaf and ginger. It's ready from Jamaica. Hard dough bread, nice. Last night I posted Ask Me Anything on my Instagram, and I saw that quite some people, not a lot, but I'm just gonna answer them before you, because you guys may want to know, and then respond to them online. Now I've never done this before. I don't know how it works, but I'm gonna reply. Can I reply to the questions? How do I do this? Alright, okay, so here is the reply. So someone sent me them number. Me know who still, so me can give them a number. It's actually a guy that was working here. So he sent me number. I guess we catch up back on some stuff. And then, alright, so I'm gonna start from the beginning. I posted it on Instagram and Facebook, but I'm just gonna, it's just 1, 2, 3, 4 messages. So good. So I can share response. Alright, so I'm gonna look for a picture. I never did this before. This is exciting. Alright. I wanna look for a side picture, because based on the question, it's not something like I would like to. I want to look for like a crazy, I don't know. So the question is, what is dating like in the state? This for the star. So first and foremost, if you guys already know, dating in the state is not like Jamaica. Because I wonder if I should just do a video and respond. You know, that's what I should do. Do a video and respond. It's called edit. So do a video and respond. Alright. Can I do a video? Do I just hold on it? I think I'm going to reply on here and then add the video here. Can I do that? Can I? Oh yes, I can. Alright, so I'm going to do that. So first of all, dating is not like Jamaica. Now in Jamaica, man kind of chase you. In America, it's not like that. You cannot go outside and expect a man to say, hey, psst, baby, you look good, but I want your number, you know. No, that is Jamaica. Here, the man them look straight. And I don't know if it's because of the amount of law that protect women. It is so hard to find like a date. You have to literally go on like dating websites, or you have to go somewhere and sit down there for a while. And even when you sit down there for a while, the man wouldn't come over. It's like you definitely have to go out and look a man. If you are not like in school or church or workplace, you cannot find a man. Like honestly. And me, have I dated before? Here, I tried, and it was a failure. So I met this guy online, right? And we decided to meet up. Now, you know, if you're going to meet with somebody, you're going to meet in public. So I suggested that we go to Dave's and Buster's. You know that gaming store, the arcade place? And we went. And let me tell you, it was the best date ever. One of the best dates ever. The guy opened door. The guy took care of everything. We played game. We had fun and we talked, right? But you see, when we were coming over and he was dropping me home, the guy started telling me how he has commitment issue and he's moving soon. Like, why are you telling me this? Are you telling me that you just want a fling? And then when we reached to the park, he was very touchy. And I was like, you know what, this ain't gonna work. And we just cut it off there. So from that day, we have not talked. I don't even remember his number. No. How can you start from 100 and drop down way down to a 0? That is my dating story here. So the next question, why am I not there? Because you're going on an extension, duh. Or is it that you're talking about here with me? No, that cannot work. Can't work. I don't see you in that light. One of my girlfriends said, would you mind if I take you with me to Uganda? Well, I want to travel the world, and Africa, I don't know. Listen, I don't understand this whole Africa, Uganda, Nigeria continent. The Africa, yeah, I want to go there. I don't know exactly where, but yeah, definitely. If it is that I have to go to Uganda, yes, I would definitely like to go because I want to travel the world. I want to go all over. And then this guy said, "Hi, love. How are you? I am okay. Not where I want to be, but I'm not where I used to be. So I am okay. I'm content. My mind is at ease. I am not sad. I am not extremely happy. I am just mellow. I am good." So yeah, that's that on my messages. So now I'm going to go back and reply. Yeah, I'm going to reply to them on Instagram. Like gone. Like gone. It was added. I thought my light was charging and obviously it was not. And now I have to use my flashlight and I don't want to use, hey, this bright, let me turn it on. I don't want to use like too much of my phone because yeah, light gone. They need to send out emails still telling us that light was going to go today. So I got to charge my power bank, but I don't know what happened to my light. I left it to charge all day, and then when I got home, and the light just gone like 5 minutes after 11. They told us that it's going to go 11 o'clock. So I download movies, but the only thing is that we never finish cook. Me hungry, and an electric stove we have. We have plug-in stove in here, plus I plug electric stove in the kitchen. So I have to eat some crackers and some ensure because I'm really hungry. And then light now come back until 5 o'clock tomorrow. I don't know if it's AM or PM. So I need to check that. I need to check the email to see when. Because why if a PM is rough, rough. But my day off it's tomorrow. And the worst thing about light going is not even the fact that light gone. It's the fact that no internet are there. But I'm gonna focus on editing and then watching the movie. My tablet charged, I think. I think it charged, yeah. It charged and I have my power bank is at 100. My phone is at 60 something. And yeah, that can carry me through. Welcome to America. Yeah, JPS cut off the light. Never know so JPS will follow me. Never know. But me hungry. Hear me belly? No man. Me hungry bad. I'm not gonna talk to you in the dark because this is so ghetto. Yeah, I did get to finish the curry goat because I had to go to work. But yeah, I have to tell you, like, I get hungry. I'm supposed to go on the road tomorrow to buy meat because I'm going to cook at a party because we are sending out some more Jamaicans. And yeah, these people like actually brought us through the season. Why everybody just take time and go. So anyhow, I'm not gonna talk to you for long because it don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. Apparently, it's only the night, so it's gonna be off 11 to 5 a.m. So thank God tomorrow on my day off we actually have internet. As I said, we're planning to cook. So we're gonna go on the road and buy some stuff. But right now I'm watching a movie. Thank God I don't know the movie. And I'm eating crackers. The struggle is real. Become like the struggle is real. Continue. But yeah, I just want to update you on that. Thank God, me just glad because we know some say 5 o'clock, but I don't know if it was 5 a.m. or 5 p.m. Thank God it's 5 a.m. because I'm gonna manage.
Men aren't that smart. So we have to trick them into thinking things are their idea when it's really ours. Like Brandon, my boyfriend.
I'm sorry, what, you have a boyfriend?
Mom, stay focused. I don't like carrying my bag all the time. So when Brandon's around, I act like it hurts my shoulder, and he carries it for me. He gets to be a hero, and I don't have to carry my bag.
When did you get a boyfriend?
Focus, Mom. Trust me, life's a whole lot easier when there's someone to help carry the load, even if you can carry it yourself.
Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday. It's my day off, and I'm ready to go on the road because I have some group of people that's leaving. Like this is their last week. J1s, mostly J1s though, and they asked me to come and cook for them. So we have to go to Walmart and buy some stuff. Now I was sleeping because last night the light went out as you saw, and it came back 2:13 to be exact. Because when you come back, the light turn on and the AC turn on and it woke me up. So I jumped out of my sleep. And then from that I couldn't get to sleep. Like, I had trouble sleeping. Anyway, I got finally get to sleep like around 4 o'clock. And even so I had to me get up during the night same way. And so when 6 o'clock come, I'm wake up, cause I was waiting for this message from this lady, and when 6 o'clock come, I'm wake up. I say, alright, I go back go sleep. Even though me know say, I told them 8 o'clock. I told them 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. I got a call saying that you're not ready yet. I said, okay, I'm gonna get ready. So I jump up and I get ready, shower everything, put on everything. I'll text back the guy to see if they're ready. Not getting him. The thing is, because our service is so bad around here, if they're on the road, we're not going to get them. More than likely, he's on his way to bring the cash and him not having no service, right? So, we go upstairs now, we go knock up the girl who are going to bring us. Girl asleep. Proper sleep. Proper sleep, meant. I don't know if I'm going to be able to bring you guys because I never vlogged around here. But I'm going to take the camera regardless to see what I can get. And you all know Walmart. And I think we're going through Frankenstein. You know the road already. If you don't know, watch my last vlog. Yeah. I put up my name for the car tomorrow, but I don't think I'm going to take it. Because if I take it, I have so much things that I need to do. Like, I have the vlog where I need to edit. I want to cook for myself. And then tonight, because we're going to cook for those people, they're going to have a party and so forth. So I'm going to probably drain tomorrow. So I may just email them and tell them that I don't need a car, put me down for the other Wednesday. Because really actually I have nothing. I don't need it to do anything. So I'm just going to stay home tomorrow. The only thing that I want to do though is to get a rental car, because I'm so tired of having like time restraints and how far I can go, because everywhere I want to go, they're far. They're like 2 hours drive. And I need to go to Bank of America. And that's like 2 hours away. What the story of my life. And in a mall, I want to go to another mall to go to Pandora. 2 hours away. Yeah. So I'm just wondering if I should just take the time to just put the clips them together on the computer right now, on the tablet right now. Because the thing is, when the clips them they're together, they're easy to edit. But it's the ones you have to transfer from my phone and from the camera. It's like, at the hardest part, that be me. And the part of me cut and slice and fix it though, and the part where we transfer it. And put it together.
Mini skirt on, dip my body in glitter. Platform sneakers, all the boys want a picture. Two foreign cars, I make rich look richer. Save your breath, baby, I'm not going home with ya. Mini skirt on, dip my body in glitter. Platform sneakers, all the boys want a picture. Two foreign cars, I make rich look richer. Save your breath, baby, I'm not going home with ya. Mini skirt on.
Just reach back home. You know the funniest thing, imagine. When I'm buying my stuff, right, the bill come to $500. But then me I buy people stuff. I mean, it's the card full, you know. Guess how much it can come up to? $160. And the reason why I come up to $60 more is because I pick up a few stuff. Like what? I bought 4 bags of rice. No. I bought 2 bags of chicken, leg quarters, and 2 bags of wings. I bought jasmine rice, the medium pack. We buy like party stuff like the plates, and we buy drinks, Red Bull, coconut milk, like things to make vegetable and potato salad. Like we buy all about something, you know, and it come to $100. Like what can go so? Why my bill have to be so expensive? Is it because of Black Friday and the price and roll back? Maybe. Anyway, I'm just gonna change my clothes and then go and season the meat, because more later on it marinate. So I'm going to do that right now. So yeah, I bought myself a Bluetooth speaker. Yay! I got myself a speaker. Guys, we need to really take thumbnails. I'm so bad at taking thumbnails. Like, I have to remember that I need to take these stuff. I bought it in my favorite color, teal. They had different colors, but I was like, you know what? Let me buy it in my favorite color. So, on Amazon it is $139, and in Walmart last week it was $139. This week them deduct $10. I'm just buying it, man, because I say, yo, I've been wanting this for so long because I really like to listen to music. And yeah, so I bought it, and just gonna pull it before you. I actually bought one for Roxanne for, I think it was a Christmas gift. So because of that, I liked it. And then also, this is how it's packaged. Let me see if I can zoom up a little bit so you can see it. So this is how it looks. Comes in a nice box like this, and then you'll take it out of the box, and then you have, what's this, like information, the card and everything comes in this. Like I have so much of these cards, I don't even need it. And then you have like the book, everything in here. You need to leave it. Then it comes in this, and then there's nothing in there. And then here's the speaker. Hey, look at that. Can you turn it on? Yeah. And it's supposed to be waterproof too, I think. So, yeah. So I'm going to go up, carry my speaker, and then I'm going to season the meat, clean up the meat, and relax. And then cook later. So this holds like 20 hours of charge. I bought this for myself. Yay!
She was so upset, she asked me to swim with her. I was gonna do that, but it slipped my mind, I'm sorry. But I'm telling you the truth, Sharon. Where she live? Baby, please, one more chance, let me tell you where I've been.
First thing that came to mind was you. Second thing was, oh, I know it is mine. And is it true that just when I thought I said I want to take my chick on the side. She got one.
You, the woman I love, that I'm having a baby by a woman that I barely even know.
It's amazing how you knock me off my feet. Nobody ever made me feel this way. You know what I mean? Bitches ain't crazy. I know, baby, go, baby, go, baby.
You got your plan, baby. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, girl, I try. You just sit down and think of a girl that I want to. Wish I knew how to separate to be my you. Living me with a day with them, guess what? You know that thing. But I'm a no say, don't you want to love me, don't be that. Living me with a day with them, guess what? You know that thing. But I'm a no say, don't help me.
Guys, ready for the party, and let me show you my outfit. Let me go tap it. I bought this the other day at the mall. It's basically an over jeans pants. It is from American Eagle, and then this is from Route 21. It's an oversized shirt, and my all-star Converse, Michael Kors, and as usual, my Fandangos. Let me tell you, this I just had to change it because you see the clothes I was in plan for wear. It was like Vanessa, you're not trying. Vanessa, you are clothes. I'm like, you know what? At the last part of the year, I should think, right? Because everybody gone, and then the last few person that keeps party are leaving within this week, leaving Saturday. So I say, you know what, at the last party of the night, it is cold by the way, so I'm going to wear my jacket. That's why I see me really, fancy dancing, nothing. I just put on over, I just want to be comfortable. Because more than likely, I'm just going to be sitting down anyway. So I just want to look kind of nice and comfortable. Alright, I finished, really done cook. I think I tell you that, me alone in the kitchen, me and the music. Waiting on them upstairs. They already came and collect the food. And now everybody is getting ready. It is now 11. You know, I look on the clock like this, the clock is set. And I don't know what it's setting up, but yet still it a run. I turn it off. Because why the battery running? So it's 11:55. 11:55. I don't have work tomorrow, so me good. None of them have work tomorrow. And more than likely, police probably shut off the dance. But yeah, I am all dressed and ready. I put on a very minimalistic makeup. One thing I do different, I'm a lip. And I try to find my lip gloss, cannot find it. So I may just have to just go matte and done. But yeah, that is that. I'm going to put on a cologne yet because I don't want it gone out. But yeah, let me tell me what you think about this fit. Tell me. I feel like me feel foreignish. Oversized shirt and oversized pants and Converse. Me feel like one of them high school fitting there, you know? Yeah. But I'm not gonna bring this camera. Obviously I'm gonna bring my phone. So I'm gonna try to see if I can get some clip for you guys. But if I don't kill me. Don't kill me. Okay. So I don't need to update, based on what happened today. The reason why I'm not updating is because I don't want to chat out the video. I don't want it too long. Yeah, I want to get a breeze off my mouth. Yeah, I want the ears get a breeze from my mouth. So that. Anyway, I'll pick up back with you within the party. Hey, when people are going, people are saying, oh, you vlog. Yeah, something like it because through me talk shit. I want to come with what they fire me. Yeah, that's not because you see what they happen to Mandarin. Okay. Alright, I learned my lesson. Lesson learned. So, and I want to come back up. I want to come back, you understand? Yeah. Alright, so I'll pick up back with you during the night. And then when I reach home.
I want to make this bag this up on me next time. Money bag this. Money bag this.
No, right?
Wait. Silence.
It's nice little mafia dance.
Big
up the chef, though. Why you have to cuss bad word?
A blue SUV. License plate number. License plate. You guys. No.
My friend, they couldn't even know the color they care.
No Jamaican now, no black used to SUV. No Jamaican now, it's a speak English.
Run it back again for the top, General. Bring it from the top again. Sorry about that. We're not ready yet to walk at the party and lock off. Okay. One time now. We're not ready yet. Alright, run it.
You just gotta have the timing right.
Zero.
Hey,
That's how you feel about
Home. It is 3:23. It was great. It was a good party. We played gospel song. We had food, and everybody loved the food. Yeah, chef it up. Everybody loved the food and coming back for more. I would say it's the last. They're saying that there's one more Friday. I don't know who on them because I'm working Friday and Saturday. And if you know me, if I have work the next day, I'm not going anywhere. It's because I don't work today and I'm not working tomorrow. Why? I need to edit the vlog because you guys come first. So I don't know about them on Friday, not me. I'm definitely not going. But yeah, it was a good night. We play a mixture of songs from Barbados, Trinidad, Africa, Dutch, like all over. Because them always a complaint says Jamaican always a take over the party. But it was good, it was chill, and I enjoyed myself. But I'm gonna rinse off. Boy, I wish me could have washed me because me that scratching the place hot. Every minute I have to go outside to get a little fresh air. And outside cold, you know. And even that couldn't get me cold. But I'm gonna get ready for bed. Can't watch a movie because can't wake up on my phone. I like to watch movie and go on my phone a little bit and then drop asleep. If I do that, I'm not going to go into my bed until 5 o'clock. And then I'm going to wake up until 12 o'clock. And basically the day done. I work again. So good night, guys. Guys, It is like to 4 and wake up from morning now, but I'm gonna be like 4 o'clock, wake up from about 8 because I have like some business, some business taken care of in Jamaica, so I've been on the phone every minute, but I can't recover. Can't recover from last night. We never party hard, we never drink. Only time we drink I was Smirnoff, but the vibe was nice. We played karaoke and those stuff. So it was good, but because we come in late, and then on top of that, because we come in so late, we can't just go on my bed early. And then I kept waking up, so I barely sleep. So right now, I just want to sleep. But we just finished get we sort out, whatever we need to sort out, which we still leave to do stuff tomorrow. I know we're late here, like the ending of next month. What's going on? But I'm here watching Wakana. Like, I don't know if you know her. She's a Jamaican. She's a flight attendant now. She started off YouTube, but she was working in Jamaica. But now she's a flight attendant and she's still vlogging and so forth. But you see that girl? From we start watching her video from, I think it's been 2 years now. From more than 2 years probably. When I start watching her video, me say, yo, this girl, she don't have no fear. She vlog anywhere, everywhere. I aspire to be like her as well as the vlogging. She just bold. She just take out her big, and I like, so I look at camera like my. She take out her big camera and she vlog anywhere. She not afraid to put anybody in her vlog, ask questions. Like, the corner, pick up her nice skin. So, and she have really nice vlogs too. But I'm gonna see if I can get some sleep because I need to start editing. I have not even transferred the videos. I don't want you guys to beat me because I know they're not gonna beat me, because this week vlog is going to be very short and I did it intentional. Okay. Anyway, I look like crap, so I'm going to sleep. Okay.
I think the next plot twist is that things are about to get really good. I think this world is going to open up for you in unimaginable ways. I think you're walking into your best chapter yet.
How is it? It's good?
Shadows gone with summer skies pulled me in.
You're leaving?
New city to get lost in. Always wanted to see Austin. Heard you running round again.
Happy Thanksgiving, guys. I didn't get to check in this morning. I just got in from work. I am tired. I had problems sleeping last night and the night before. And you know that the night before I went to party. But I don't know if it's because it's too hot or what, but I just keep waking up in the night. And even when I went to work today, I was like, listen, I'm going to take one of those cups and I'm going to drink some coffee because I really want to sleep. And then even the coffee didn't work. Like, what? The coffee didn't work. But it was a long day. I started work at 10 to 8 and we literally just reached home. So it's 10 o'clock, so 10 to 10, 12-hour shift. And it was just like it was a lot. We had a lot of guests. So much people don't cook on Thanksgiving, like really? Get my hair and cook? Oh man, as much as one thing money still. But how they did it, I don't like it. Like it's a tip pool. Because you have like person that make $1,000 and you have person that make $200. And it's like they have to pool the tip. You have people that make like $1,700. And I don't like how that go. I don't like it. Yeah. But it was okay. We got a lot of food because they did Thanksgiving dinner, lunch for us. And then at the end of the service, whatever was left over, they gave us. They had fried turkey. It actually tastes good, and the turkey tastes good. The mac and cheese, that's all I take. And then from the lunch, I took, you will see in my plate, but I'm just going to shower and I need to edit. And then someone asked me to do them here. I was going to plan to do it tomorrow, but me I say, yo, I have to edit probably I just do it tomorrow night. Yeah, makes sense. Tomorrow night. And then I'm off Saturday morning, working Saturday evening. Alright, you know what? Good night. I'm gonna shower and get editing. Guys, outside not normal. Outside cold. Not even outside. Inside of the workplace, around the back part, in the restaurant, everywhere. Just cold. Then that would have turned on the heater. No man. When I come right now, my food cold. My hand cold. Jesus, today Friday, I'm just come to close out the vlog. I haven't said nothing to you today, but I just want to close out the vlog. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. No, sir. Let's go job for the big gun them. The jacket them we wear from Vermont. No, sir, leave it. Ow, frig. Leave it take out my German suit and my gloves and all this stuff. Cold, you know? Not like cold. Never knows in that kind of cold, so. And I worst up on the mountain, cold bad. Anyhow, I'll catch you next week. Somebody want me here to come, and honestly, I don't feel like I want to do it. Because I have to finish edit this and I don't feel like more it. Honestly, it's like after 11, I'm more shower. I don't feel like more do it. You can't say no. Only because them will leave tomorrow, not the other day. Anyway, later. Not later. Next week here, guys. Next week, drop a comment. Drop one pink heart in the comments. Guys, do you want to know what time it is? It is 3:45. And I just want to put in this clip just for my sister. It's dedicated. I'm going to get out a video to Uno. So no better appreciate this video and like it. And if you don't share it, just share it. Alright, 3:45. May have work tomorrow. I have work tomorrow. Bear that in mind. Not even tomorrow. Today. I have work today. Anyway, I'm going to put in this last clip and export it and upload it and see if there's any more copyright to it. But if this don't work out right now, you're not going to get it late Saturday. Okay, alright.